Hello, Namaste, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking you along on our Calgary Family weekend getaway to the beautiful Kananaski. A short but refreshing trip filled with laughter, adventure, and lots of unforgettable moments. Our weekend began on Friday evening. Around 5 p.m., we packed up the kids, grabbed our dinner on the way, and hit the road. The drive took about an hour and a half, and as the sun slipped away, the roads grew pretty dark but also peaceful and quiet. When we finally reached our Airbnb, it instantly felt like the perfect cozy retreat. The house was warm and welcoming. The kids were excited to explore every corner, and honestly, so were the adults. After a busy week and the cold weather settling in, we all needed this relaxing break with friends. Once we settled in, the fun started right away. We unpacked our dinner, chatted for a while, and made a few TikTok videos, and even pulled out the karaoke machine. The kids joined in with singing and dancing, turning our first night into a mini celebration. The next morning, we woke up to a stunning view, sunshine, clear skies, and surprisingly warm weather for this time of year. We grabbed our tea and coffee, heated outside, and enjoyed the peaceful morning sitting on the hammock just soaking in the fresh air. After breakfast, we packed up our gear and left for a short hike. What we expected to be a simple outing turned into a beautiful 3 hour adventure. The trails were calm and scenic, with the Bow River flowing beside us and tall trees surrounding the path. We took our time, laughed, talked, and enjoyed every moment of walking together. It was the kind of hike that makes you forget about everything else and just appreciate nature and good company. By the time we finished, everyone was starving, so we headed straight to downtown, searching for a good restaurant. We found a cozy spot, sat down, and pretty much devoured our lunch. That's how hungry we all were after the hike. After eating, we explored the market area for a bit, walked around, and enjoyed the small town charm before heading back to our Airbnb for a round two of fun. Back at the house, the kids and adults all jumped into some outdoor games, basketball, soccer, running around, just enjoying the evening. Simple moments, but they made the day feel perfect. As the night settled in, we ended the day with pure relaxation. We enjoyed the hot tub, had great conversations, shared food, and yes, more singing. It was the perfect way to unwind after a long and exciting day. Sunday morning came quickly. After breakfast and a bit of packing, it was time to head back home. The drive back was filled with calm music, tired kids, and all of us replaying the best moments from the weekend. And that wrapped up our family trip to Kananaski, a weekend full of fun, nature, laughter, and memories we'll cherish for a long time. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures. Thank you all.